You ever feel like you're trying so hard to be productive, following all the perfect routines you see online, but somehow by 3 p.m. you've done nothing? Yeah, I've been there, staring at my desk, snacks everywhere, phone in hand, wondering, why am I even trying? And here's the thing, your routine isn't broken because you're lazy, it's broken because it's missing the right structure for you. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'll show you how to fix it today, not tomorrow, today. Most routines fail for the same reason. They're too complicated or too rigid. Maybe your perfect morning has you waking up at 5 a.m., meditating, journaling, working out, and you're snoozing until 9 because, well, life happened. Or maybe your study routine has you sitting at your desk for 5 hours straight, and by the end, you've barely done half your work, and now you feel like a failure. Here's the truth. Productivity doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing the right things at the right time consistently. And the first step to fixing your routine, it's simpler than you think. Forget long, unrealistic schedules. Try short, focused blocks, like 25 to 50 minutes of work, then a 5 to 10-minute break. Even just one block a day is better than nothing. For example, math homework for 25 minutes, check your phone for 5 minutes, repeat. It feels doable, and small wins motivate your brain to keep going. But it's not just about how long you work, it's also when you work. Most students try to follow routines that should work, but ignore their own energy levels. If you're a night owl, forcing a 6 a.m. wake-up might actually hurt your productivity, not help it. Notice when you feel alert and focused, and schedule your hardest tasks then. Example, morning, emails, light reading, planning. Afternoon, heavy studying or assignments. Evening, creative work, revision, or relaxing. Your brain isn't a machine. It has peaks and valleys. Work with it, not against it. Now here's the biggest trap almost everyone falls into. Fake productivity is doing tasks that feel productive but aren't moving the needle. Scrolling TikTok for study motivation, yeah, it feels like work, but it's not. Check your list. Are you actually completing your priorities or just looking busy? Try this. Pick 1 to 3 meaningful tasks each day. That's it. Finish them. Done. And here's a small tweak that makes those 1 to 3 tasks way easier. Big routines fail because they expect perfection. Instead, start micro habits, tiny, realistic actions you can actually do. Examples: open your textbook for 5 minutes, and maybe you'll study longer. Drink water before grabbing your phone. Write 1 sentence in your journal. These tiny wins stack over time, and before you know it, your whole day feels productive. Finally, the secret ingredient to making any routine stick: track your wins. Not just tasks, but small victories. Studied 25 minutes without distraction. Went to bed on time. Tell a friend. Use a habit app, or even comment your goal below. Reflection plus accountability equals motivation booster. Even bad days become learning days. You see what worked, what didn't, and tweak tomorrow. Because the more you track, the easier it is to build a routine that actually sticks. So let's sum it up. Start small, focused blocks. Match tasks to your energy. Cut fake productivity. Build micro habits. Track and reflect. Pick just 1 step tonight. Start simple. You'll feel the difference instantly. Your routine isn't broken. You just need the right tweaks for your life. Try this tonight. Build this habit and watch how your days start to actually work for you.